I have to admit, I love my Levi's. I've been wearing them my entire life. In fact, I used to use the terms Levi's and blue jeans interchangeably. But over the past couple of years, I've been buying Selvedge Denim jeans because I really like the idea of denim being made much like it was decades ago. And I'd rather show off a selvage ribbon when I'm cuffing my jeans than your typical overlock outseam. So when I heard that Levi's was combining the fit and comfort I usually expect from them with Selvedge Denim, I grabbed myself a pair of 5'11" slim fit Selvedge jeans, and boy was I... Welcome to Stray Reviews, I'm Lee, and I'm here to help you find the best men's lifestyle gear and apparel. And today, I'm reviewing the Levi's Premium 5'11" Slim Fit Selvedge Men's Jeans in Getting Started Selvedge / Dark Wash. Levi's 5'11s have long been my favorite fit from Levi's, and I've owned more pairs than I can count. To take my favorite everyday knock-around jeans and make them out of Selvedge denim seemed really too good to be true. The Premium 5'11s are your usual 5-pocket slim fits, but these come with a leather patch. They have a zip fly and the signature Levi's red tab on the back pocket. These are made from a 99% cotton, 1% elastane stretch selvage and are chain stitched at the hem. The 5'11 selvage is made in China and sells for $128. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to take a closer look. I'm going to get into the good, the bad, and the bottom line of these jeans, but first I want to invite you to the My Favorite Things newsletter, where I send out a list of my favorite gear and apparel each month. I'll leave a link for that down in the description as well. Alright, let's start off with the good of the Levi's Premium 5'11 Slim Fit Selvedge jeans. First of all, let's be honest. I buy Levi's because I already know I'm going to like them. Like I said, I have been wearing them for years, decades. I don't even really need to try them on. I can just really kind of walk into a store or order online, and I know they're gonna fit, they're gonna be comfortable, and I'm going to wear them a lot. There are very few products that I can buy that I can actually say that about. You add to that, they come in a wide variety of lengths, and this matters because if you buy Selvedge denim, you know that it's likely that they will have to be hemmed unless you like to wear really wide cuffs or just happen to be the size that the lengths come in. I really like the look of the 5'11s. The deep blue but lightly distressed color is great for really just about any occasion. It pairs well with all of my boots and all of my sneakers and could easily become just like a one and done pair of jeans when I'm traveling. They're also very comfortable. There's enough stretch here to allow for full movement. I can stand up and sit down, which can't always do with rigid denim. I can lunge forward and I can kick. And there's no break-in period needed like there is with a traditional pair of rigid Selvedge jeans. These really are perfect for someone who just wants a pair of Selvedge jeans but doesn't want the hassle of a painful, sometimes painful break-in or a trip to the tailor to get them hemmed. Hey, tap that like button for me if you like an easy, comfortable wear and you like to kick. Alright, let's talk about the bad of the Levi's Premium 5'11 Slim Fit Selvedge jeans. First of all, these jeans will not appeal to you if you lean toward traditional Selvedge jeans. These are not American-made heritage denim for denim heads. In fact, the website says, made in China, Cambodia, and Vietnam. If that sort of like blue jeans of yesterday experience is what you're looking for, you really won't find it here. But my biggest gripe about these jeans is the price. At $128, they're just too expensive for what they are. Especially when other brands like Flint & Tinder sell their stretch Selvedge denim for $30 less. In my opinion, the Flint & Tinders are just better jeans. The denim feels a bit more substantial underhand, the stitching is cleaner, and there's even a Selvedge ribbon on the inside of the fly. all while still offering a fit and comfort that is very similar to the Levi's. Also, if a heritage denim experience is what you're looking for, you can get a pair of Gustin 1968s for only $1 more than the Levi's. And these are made from the famous Cone Mills denim right here in the United States. You tell me, do you lean more toward the heritage denim experience, or are you happy to have that Selvedge ribbon in a modern stretch denim package? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm gonna give you my bottom line opinion, but if you're getting some value out of this today, then I wanna invite you to subscribe to the channel so that you'll catch my upcoming reviews. All right, the bottom line is that the Levi's Stretch Selvedge Denim jeans are great for anyone wanting a Selvedge ID when they cuff, but not necessarily looking for the US-made heritage experience involving hemming and a lengthy, sometimes painful break-in period. However, the biggest drawback is the price when you compare them to actually better options out there. And if you want to see some more heritage-leaning options, including one that includes a little bit of stretch if that's what you're looking for, then check out this video here. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you over in the next video.